Welcome in, everybody. My name is Midgeworth, and welcome to Mixitup Minutes, a series that shows you all of the fun things you can do with the chatbot MixItUp. I will keep these videos short, so they're easy to follow and easy to find. We'll go through each thing step by step, so you're more comfortable using this very powerful bot. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now that you've created your currency and all those other new commands are available, let me show you where to find them. First, you'll go into commands, and then you will go down to the ungrouped, and down here you will see these are all of your commands for adding points or your currency to your users. Add testing, add test. Here are the commands that only moderators can use. For the time being, we're not concerned with those. So we're just going to hide those. Now, we're going to go back into this test command that we were talking about before, and we're going to add a little bit more to it. All right, heading back into the test command, we're going to see that we still have the I am testing sound and the message sound from yesterday. So why is currency important? Because we can make it things cost currency. So in order to do that, we come over to the usage requirements, and these usage requirements can be as simple as a cooldown, can be as simple as currency. You can have moderation tools for it. You can have only select roles and other arguments. We're not worried about those today. What we're worried about is currency. So when you click on the $100 bill here, you'll say currency requirement. Right now there is none. All you have to do is click add. When you click on add, you see your currency here. We only have one, so we want to do test. Required amount can be 0. You can set this to whatever you prefer. So if you have a Twitch channel point that's 1,000 channel points, you can also set your currency up that at 1,000 channel points, you can do the same command. So all you need to do is set the requirement to 10, and then you would click done. Now, when you look over this, you click on it, it says this is requirement of 10 points. And that's it. That's how you add currency. Now that we've added currency to the command, let's create a whole nother command that we will use to build up to make it the best command your chat has ever seen throughout the course of this series. First thing we're going to do is we're going to name it something fun. So I'm going to call this test dice, and then I'm going to have the trigger, I could spell, the dice. So the first thing that we're going to do, like we did last time, is we're going to throw it in the test group, and we're going to name it dice. I'm going to add a currency to begin with, and I'm going to make the requirements 100 points. So anybody that follows or any of your other users that you give points to will automatically be able to use this right away. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into same thing, chat message. We're going to add, and then we're going to add our message. Again, you can customize this however you want. And then we are going to use some of the specified commands used right in the reference section of the chatbot. If you ever need a question on where to find it, it's always going to be here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say username wants to roll the dice. I can't type. Wants to roll the dice. Okay, so then that message is done. So from there, what we're going to do is we're going to save it. We now know that that command is in here, and it does require 100 currency in order to use. So why is that important? Well, the next step that we're going to talk about in the next episode talks about how a person can win or lose currency based on a particular action like rolling a dice. So tune in for that. And until next time, peace and love, everybody. Talk to you all later.